Which cannabinoids are being researched for sleep apnea? Have you ever wondered how cannabinoids might change the way we treat sleep apnea? This condition, particularly obstructive sleep apnea, can disrupt sleep by causing breathing to stop and start repeatedly. As researchers search for new solutions, cannabinoids, which are compounds found in cannabis, are gaining attention. The primary cannabinoids being studied for sleep apnea include Dronabinol and delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, commonly known as THC. Dronabinol is a synthetic version of THC, which is the psychoactive element in cannabis. These compounds are being examined for their potential to reduce apneic events, which are the pauses in breathing that occur during sleep. Most of the research so far has focused on Dronabinol in clinical trials. These studies have shown that Dronabinol can lead to improvements in sleep apnea symptoms. For instance, it may reduce the frequency of breathing interruptions and enhance overall sleep quality. The duration of these studies typically ranges from 1 to 6 weeks, with many lasting around 3 weeks. While the results are promising, further research is necessary to confirm these findings and to explore the long-term effects of Dronabinol. Animal studies have also contributed to this area of research. In experiments with rats, both THC and a natural compound called olamide have demonstrated the ability to decrease apneic events. This suggests that cannabinoids might influence the muscles in the upper airway and the brain's signals that regulate breathing during sleep. In addition to focused studies on Dronabinol and THC, some research has looked at cannabis use in a broader context. These observational studies assess individuals who use cannabis to see if their sleep apnea symptoms improve. Although the results from these studies are encouraging, they are not as robust as those from controlled trials involving Dronabinol. In practical terms, cannabinoids like Dronabinol could offer a new treatment option for individuals who do not respond well to traditional therapies, such as continuous positive airway pressure machines. However, it is essential to keep in mind that current evidence is still limited. More studies are needed before cannabinoids can be widely recommended as a treatment for sleep apnea. To summarize the current state of research, Dronabinol and THC are the main cannabinoids being investigated for sleep apnea. Most evidence comes from short-term clinical trials and animal studies. While the findings are hopeful, additional research is required to confirm safety and effectiveness for long-term use in humans. This area of study represents an emerging direction in the treatment of sleep apnea, providing hope for those who struggle with existing therapies.